Okay, here we have a few air conditioners at this office complex. I don't believe anyone's here, so this is a good time to film here. Here we have some type of Bryant. It's got a Copeland scroll, or Copeland reset. I love the sound of it. It's working great. It is a 3-ton from 2000. If you know what type of Bryant this is, please let me know. And here's another one which is off. It's got a newer fan motor. It's also got a Copeland reset. And it has not been running. Same thing as the other one. It's got a US Motors fan motor, and this one has a GE, I believe. There are 2 more units. We have a Carrier Tech 2000 and a Ruud Achiever. I can't tell what type of compressor that has. Let's take a look. That has a Copeland scroll. It's not been running. It's a 4-ton from 2001. And this Ruud actually has the sweat blades. It's got an Emerson scroll. It has not been running. I am running low on time, otherwise I would try for a startup of that Bryant. That's a 4-ton from 2023. I do also want to try for a startup of this Tech 2000 and this Ruud actually. And then the last 2 units. I'm surprised I saw this shorter one. We have 2 Trane XE1000s. It's a Climate-Tough reciprocating. That's not been running. It's a 3-ton from 2000. Yeah, it only goes up to here on me, and I'm 5'4", so. And then there's a taller Trane. I think that's got a slightly different compressor. I don't know if it's a Climate-Tough scroll or an Alliance scroll. And I'll try and catch both of these trains starting up. Where's the data? That's actually a really interesting disconnect box. Oh no, that's the disconnect box. That's a 5-ton from 2002. So yeah, I'll try and catch one of each size of those starting up. So both of those. And then I'll try for at least one of the Bryants. Maybe both to see the different fan motors. Yeah, that Bryant has one of the best Copeland recip sounds I've heard by far. But there are these units. Thanks for watching.